Hi, welcome to the Aero Workshop. Today we're going to show you the features and applications of Aero's RH200S rivet tool. The RH200S is the perfect rivet tool for professional jobs, repairs around the house, and anything in between. This tool features tough steel construction with spring-loaded handles, soft vinyl hand grips, 4 different sized nose grips, a nose-changing wrench, and a convenient handle lock for easy storage. The extended nose design allows you to reach into tight corners with ease. The RH200S works with aluminum and steel rivets of all sizes. The RH200S is ideal for metalwork, gutter repairs, working on storm doors, and automotive work. Thanks for stopping by the Aero Workshop. We hope you enjoy your new tool.